What's up, guys? It's Emily.
And Matt.
So right now, I finally got my SnackCrate box, and I've been fiending to get this box. It was delayed an extra 5 days, but the country that I picked is Germany. I'm so excited because I do have German in my blood from my mother's side. So I was like, you know what? Let me get a German box, and Matt's gonna do the review with me and see if we like it. We got a lot of goodies. This is how it looks. Exciting. You get a sticker. So the stuff that we got is, I don't know, it's pretty interesting, kind of weird though.
I don't know how.
We got these chips.
I don't know how I feel about that, to be honest. I don't know how.
We got,
I
don't know if these are peanuts, but these.
These are supposed to be like
sour puffers.
Sour candy or whatever.
Yeah. You can do that one.
This one's like a
hazelnut wafer.
Yeah, I was gonna say sandwich.
And then I think we're Americans, so obviously this reminds me of pound cake, but it's obviously a German saying.
Got a bunch of gummies over here. These
and
gummies.
Then we got this cake that has some sort of cream in it. So I'm excited to do this. I don't know what should we start with. I want to start with the chips first, just to get it out of the way, and then we'll get to the sweet stuff after.
Alright, let's start with the chips then.
Okay, let's move that there. Which one? Should we try this one or this one?
Let's try that one first.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It smells like peanuts.
I don't know how I feel about it.
Okay.
Heat one bit. They have something in it. Oh, they don't.
It's not bad. It tastes like a peanut.
Yeah, that's true. Has that like type of peanut butter flavor?
Yeah.
I never like it's like a peanut butter. There's no such thing as a peanut butter chip, right?
No.
It's not bad. Not bad chip. I'll eat this every day. I'm not gonna lie. Not bad.
This is not bad.
Not bad at all.
It's actually really good. Somebody want to try some? No. No? Alright. That one, what do you rate it? I give it a 7. It's good.
I'll give it an 8.
An 8?
Yeah, just because I'll eat every day.
It's a little too peanut buttery for my liking,
No,
but
there's a little bit of peanut butter in there.
it's salty
like,
too.
Oh, baby.
These smell like good.
That's some real good barbecue chips.
They smell like barbecue chips, right? Alright. Oh, these are good.
They taste like New York chips.
They taste like barbecue chips. Well, these are good. My mom will like these. You would like these.
They taste like New York barbecue chips.
Oh my god.
I've had these before.
Ooh, good.
Yeah,
I'll give this a 10.
That's a
I'd rather
10.
this than regular one.
that's a 10. 100%.
That's good.
Alright, so I'm gonna try next. Use our hands though.
Sorry.
I think we should go with the sour candy. No, sour candy.
Alright, but this might be messy, so.
We just put it on our hands. Not the other way. Is it?
No.
Oh, okay, never mind. Careful.
Okay. Here. Give me your hand.
Oh. I got it. Alright. Oh. I think I'm gonna put the whole thing in my mouth. Pause.
What?
I said I think I'm gonna put the whole thing in my mouth. Pause. Alright. No.
These are really good.
No.
No, these are really good. Like, guys, I'm not a big sour fan. But these...
No, it's not sour. It's just it barely has any taste.
No, it says it in the book. It's the sour candy.
It's not even that sour.
Sour candy. It's a rice corn sour. These are good.
They're not really that sour though.
I'm good.
They taste like medicine.
Okay. I give this an 8. This is really good.
I'm giving it like a 3.
A 3?
Yeah. They don't taste that sour.
Alright, let's move the box. Which one are you going to try next?
This.
That?
Yeah. It looks like those types in the stores. What was they called again?
Wafers.
Yeah.
So guys, let me show you before I eat it and munch my little heart away. Oh,
You go first.
I'll clean it.
They smell good though.
That's how it looks.
They smell a little good. Ooh. This is good.
Tastes like Nutella. It tastes better though.
It's like chocolate frosting.
Oh my god, this tastes amazing.
This is good.
Oh, really good.
This is slamming. Oh god. This is slamming like crazy.
Right?
Not bad.
I'm gonna save mine so I have my mom try.
I'm eating mine. It's not bad.
That's really good.
Oh well.
What do you rate it? I rate that a 10.
10.
10?
10.
10? 10, 10, 10, 10. Alright. Next snack. A little skeptical. I feel like this is gonna taste like lemon.
Why you say that?
Because, I don't know.
I'm gonna say lemon on the wrapper.
We shall see.
It's just some type of bread, but you don't seem too fond about it.
You know, split one? Because I know you're not gonna like both.
What's so bad about it? You don't sound... I'm scared. It tastes like a cake.
Whoa.
It tastes like a cake.
I have nothing bad to say so far besides, like, these I think were my lowest. They're not bad though.
You give those what, 6 or 7? You said 6, right?
Oh my god.
It's like a cake in one of those stores that you pick up in the delis.
I like this more though.
I was never...
My German is coming out of me, guys.
I would never buy one of these in delis because I wouldn't know how they taste, but this one,
I give it a 10.
I'll give this a 10.
That's really good. Alright. Let's try this one and then we'll try the gummies last.
Alright.
Oh, you want to do gummies?
Oh, no, gummies, yeah, gummies. Yeah.
Save the best for
last.
last.
We're going to save the best for last.
Hopefully it's the best though.
And try the gummies. Latch gummies.
These are the gummies. Oh, they smell good.
Ooh. They're regular gummies.
These taste better. And they have vitamins.
Oh, yeah, that's just true. You're right. They taste like vitamin gummies, too. Not bad. Not bad.
I give this a 9.
Oh, they have the orange.
That is not bad.
I give it a 9. Give it a 9 as well. Not bad. Not bad.
Alright, last one.
one.
Guys, if you hear screaming in the background, my brother's playing his game.
Yeah, I don't mind that.
Don't mind that at all. Oh, shit. It smells very chocolatey. Babe, you're squashing it.
I know, you were holding it tightly.
It's very melted, though.
Let me smell it. Well, that's very chocolatey.
I don't know if I'm gonna like this.
Why is it melted? It looks melted.
It's alright. It happens.
It looks like one of those,
Okay, guys, so this is how it looks.
It looks like one of those Swiss rolls. You want to split it?
Yeah. Okay, it's very melted because it was in the truck, but...
Do a little cheers. Oh, never mind. Damn. She just went over there. I just wanted to do a cheers, and she just went over there and just ate it.
Oh my god. That's really good.
Let's do it.
Uh-huh.
What's that, the hazelnut?
No.
Oh, the thing that was like pound cake?
Oh my god, you have to try that. 10. That's a 10. My German just came out of me. Everything.
That's
Wonderful.
the hazelnut one?
Yeah, I saved you some.
No, I don't want it.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a really good video. I think I'm going to do another one from another country. And I hope you guys enjoyed our test tasting. And we will see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
Those are pretty good.